At 6, the state shutting down a healthcare center in Liberty. These documents right here revealing years of complaints from patients of abuse and neglect, and that resulted in one death. 41 Action News reporter Brenda Gonzalez live at the Liberty Terrace Healthcare and Rehabilitation Center with more. That is where the residents are gathering their things and getting out, huh, Brenda Lee?
That's right. We were inside the center earlier today, and you can already tell they're making everything they need to do to get out of this building. Now, there is room for more than 100 people to live at this center, and they are prepared to find a place for everyone to stay. Now, no one inside the center would talk to us on camera, but we looked through hundreds of pages of documents from previous investigations at this center, which reveal years worth of complaints and mistakes. Staff and residents at the Liberty Terrace Healthcare and Rehabilitation Center have 1 month to find another place to work and live. Last month, the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services sent this letter to the director, notifying her they're terminating their agreement. This comes after the Missouri Department of Health and Senior Services investigated the facility in May, in which surveyors found a, quote, situation of immediate jeopardy to patient health and safety. Documents reveal one resident complained to surveyors saying a staff member yelled and slammed the snack cart into one resident. The report says staff members failed to write a report. Another resident said that when staff yelled at him or her, she or he felt like a, quote, 3-year-old and my life is a living hell. That resident admitted to being suicidal. But the complaints began much earlier than this year. In 2014, the state filed a report stating the center failed to provide necessary care for 4 of the 5 surveyed residents. One of those patients died from an infection. Records show at least 3 wrongful death lawsuits have been filed against the center. A spokesperson for Genesis Healthcare, the company that's owned the center since February of this year, told 41 Action News they'll move out by August 7th. And that, quote, while Liberty Terrace strongly disagrees with this decision, CMS has directed that they, in cooperation with various state agencies, develop a plan to relocate residents. We talked to an employee here earlier today, wouldn't go on camera, but says she's been working here for about a year. Everyone she works with, she says, is nice. Now her concern is finding a job after this place closes for good. Reporting live, Brenda Gonzalez, 41 Action News.